Hi, and welcome back to our 19th 52-week Blender Challenge video. Let's get started. We're going to do units wise, go to Imperial here, and let's create a, what's it called? We're going to create like a lantern kind of thing. So yeah, let's get started. Let's see, we want SC, really thin. And that's press N. How big is that? That's half a foot. Yeah, that's too big. So we're gonna go 1 inch here. And we're gonna do that. That's 6 feet by 6 feet. Yeah, that's too big. We're gonna do like half a foot by half a foot. All right. Then before we move on, press Control A, all transforms, so it's scaled correctly. And this is going to be the bottom platform for the lantern, and then we're going to build up on this. So Shift D, C, and we're going to do SY like this. That's pretty good. Okay. Then Shift D again. Press 1, actually press 7, GY, like that. Then RC90, GX. It's okay if it's not perfectly aligned, because we're not really caring about that right now. Okay, then press 7, S, X. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. Then we're just going to copy this, Shift D, Y, bring it here, and we're going to do the same thing to that. Shift D, X. All right, pretty sweet. And now let's copy this. It's almost about correct. Yeah, okay. So Shift D here, C, right about here, and then RX90, press 3. There we go. G, S, C, right about here, then GY, GY. That's where we want it. Okay, sweet. And then we're gonna keep doing this for all 4 sides, but since this is a circle kind of thing, we can do an easy thing, which is just, let's see, Shift A, empty arrows, select this over here, add an array to this. We're gonna do fix count with an object offset, and we're going to add our array here, or our empty. All right, we're going to do 4. That's weird. Okay, it selected something entirely different than what we thought. Where's our empty? GC. We pick something. Oh. Okay, maybe it's a little too big, that's why. No, that shouldn't matter. Okay, So select that, the empty. I don't know why that's selecting that instead. And then let's do this RC90 GC. Why is the base being selected here? So exit out of that. I don't know why that's happening. Control A, all transforms. Oh, I forgot. We gotta transform that first before we try to do this. All right, so then array. There, it's working normally now. I do object offset, then select the array here. Then we do a count of 4, not 43. Select your array, RC divided by 4. 360 divided by 4 is 90. And we're good. Nice. Okay. Then select all of these. Shift D C. Press 1. GC. Okay. Not bad. All right. All right. Then let's just bring this up a little bit. Okay, that's what we want for our lantern part. We're going to do about the same thing here, and what we can do for that is add a plane, a thin film, Shift A, plane, RX90, press 1, make it way smaller like that, then GC, like here, then SC. Cool. All right. Press 3. All right. And then we're going to essentially do the same thing as we did for this one block. So get your array modifier for that plane, object offset, take off relative, and select your empty. See, it's what happens when you don't clear all transforms or do your transform thing. Okay, then select. Now it's working better. We're going to do 4 of these. Select your array, RC90. Well, what's going on there? Oh, it's already. That's weird. Okay, I guess. Oh, okay, because I already had it set up as divided by 90 or rotated by 90 because of this. So if that does happen where you try to rotate an array that's already rotated, just create a new one and select the array as an empty already. I mean, as an empty, that way you don't mess with it. Let's take that off rendering as well. Okay, and then let's see. I think that's the biggest part. So let's apply this. Apply this. And we're going to select one of these. Shift D. It's going to be over here. Press 3. All right. Y90. That's what we want. 3. GY. Right in the middle. GC. Bring it up here and make it just bigger on this Z-axis. Bring it all the way down here. Okay, that's pretty good. Then press 1, GX, bring it close. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Select this, G, Shift D, like that, 3, G, Y, right about there. Then mirror this to make your life easy. Across this. Alright, like that. Apply. Press 1, S. Alright, then SX. Alright, it's fine. Just go for it. It's all going to be one piece right here. Okay, then edit mode. Do Control R. Then face mode, select this, then just extrude up like this, and edge mode here and here. Let's do some small beveling. We want this too. Okay. Do some small beveling. All right, and that's pretty good. All right. Now let's actually do some extra stuff because I like this. So press materials, and we're gonna do some wood. So make sure we can actually see what's going on. Oh, okay. I guess because this was all like one object, so oh nice. We don't really have to do much because I was actually going to add it to everything. Okay, for this, we're going to delete the material here. For that one, this one's all connected, so that's fine. We're going to do a hard wood, so just something a little darker, to be honest. That. Because that's our base. Okay, and then select all this right here, and what we're gonna do for this is we're gonna create like an emission. So go down here, select the shade editor, and we are gonna do Shift A, search, emission, enter, and then replace that, add a yellow light like this, and up the strength so you can see. All right, let's go to our render mode, and then we play a little bit with the lighting here or there. We can have our lantern like show that it's glowing. Let's see if we can do some extra stuff. So Shift A, color ramp. I guess not. All right, delete that. All right, Shift D, put it somewhere else. Delete this. Or just, and then we're gonna go with, let's see, you want to mess with the color, so bring this up. We're going to do a nice yellow, and then a nice orange. All right, and then if we move it around like this, oh, that's cool. Okay, and then we make a mess around position. Okay. we can get an orangey light for this. All right, strength can go down or higher. Okay, so depowered light, powered light. All right, nice. Okay, sorry for the little extra there, but I hope this helps, and until the next time.